Hey guys, how's life? It is Josh Plays, and today I am going to be doing, I'm going to be playing this game.
What are you doing?
I'm making a video. Thanks for the interruption.
Of what?
A game I found called Blood and Bacon.
Okay, can I be your sound guy?
Sure.
I already got the sound up. Go ahead.
Cut. Okay, so this game is super up. Cut.
What?
Do better.
Okay.
And get out of the frame. Okay, there. Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Logan.
What?
Do good.
Why?
Okay.
Why can't I do well?
Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Josh Plays, and today I am going to be playing Do Not Hear the Sensor Beep. So if at any times you do not hear the sensor beep, that means something is getting close to you. Okay? I mean, seriously. What the is this game? I mean... Okay, here we go. No, there's a Mewtwo here. No, son of a... Cut!
Why? Why? It just did that. It's just beeping.
You did good, homie. You did good.
Yay, I'm a gooder. I'm so much gooder than you. So,
Let's do one more.
dude, just this.
Okay, well...
I'm doing a solo career, so you.
Hey.